72,000? Ang liit.
This price, ma'am, this one is the shop price.
Ah, okay. This one.
Yeah, it's very.
I thought this one. Okay.
This one is
So it's 33,000.
tax free. We have tax free 30,000.
Okay. Is it brand new, second hand?
This one is a new one.
New one.
Yes, because this one still have a tag. You can see, but
Ah,
our shop
okay.
we sell at second hand items.
Ah, okay.
Yes, but this one is the new one. This also new.
New. Ah, okay. It's not all second hand. This one is cute. 33 daw. Cute ba? 33. Ang ganda. Ah, puro Coach. Pero parang ano na siya eh. Sirap na. Medyo... Ay, so cute nito. 28,000 ang liit. Parang pouch lang na wallet. Ito, 22,000. So the orange tag is the 11,000. Oh, this one's cute also. Ay, ito meron siyang camera bag. 18,000. Hello Kitty. And, ay, merong Coach na Mickey Mouse. 22,000.
Okay lang, okay lang. Thank you.
Meron silang Hermes. Ayan, may Hermes sila. 3 million. 3 million yen. 550,000. Meron ding LV, 396,000. Ito cute to, 297,000. Ay, parang gusto ko nito, Dior. 205. Ay, ang cute. McDonald's.
Oh my so hungry.
186. Saddle bag. Ito naman, 230,000 belt bag. Ay, ano siya? Ay, baka ganun talaga yung design niya, pero parang may molds. Ito, Gucci, 145. Ito naman, LV, 220,000. Ay, ang ganda nito. LV, 220,000. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung mga LV.
요거 봐봐, 요거.
Money. 45,000. Ay, ito maganda. 277,000. Chanel, 640,000. YSL, 154. 136,000. Ito maliit. Weve, 110,000.